Hi everyone. Today we want to explore the land use or land model map from the Google Earth Engine. First of all, need to type the code.earth engine in a tab and open the new script. I'm interested to explore the land cover map of Swiss Alps, and I added here the center map on the Swiss Alps map and write the map dot set center. This is latitude and longitude and zoom rate. And after this, if I can run this part of code, zoom in the Swiss Alps. And after this, yeah, I need to write the functions to get land cover for the specific year. I write the function get land cover for year and define the variable collection equal to ee.image collection. This is the image dataset from the MODIS and name is MCD12Q1. From the land cover type yearly and this global and filter the after this we need to filter the date. I added to the months and the day 0101 and December 31. And you can, yeah, want to explore more about this dataset, you can search in the data catalog. And yeah, this one is a type of yearly global 1500 meters and availability from 2001 until 2023. And we have the yearly, and you can see we have a different fonts and different names of a land cover types. And you can see the hex color of a different class. Yeah, we don't use this hex color because it's complex to understand. We use the color names for the better understanding, and you can see in the below. And after this, yeah, we select the meaning of a this land cover types, LC type 1, and calculate the mean and return the land cover. And the important steps in land cover mapping is related to the define the resolutions and define the color of a different class. I did this with a color name. I added the var land cover resolution equals to minimum 0 and maximum 17. It is the class number, and I defined the palette like this. For evergreen needle forest, I use the dark green. For forest, for broadleaf forest, I use the forest green. For other type, I use a different color. You can investigate more, than you can find the class name here. I use it the same class name, but I define the color with a name. For example, the water bodies with a blue and the building areas with a gray, and yeah, like this. And after the steps, yeah, we need to I think we missed one. Yeah, after this, yeah, we need to add another part to load the display the mean land cover of a 2020 like this. I write the variable land cover 2020 equal to get land cover for this year and map to outlier this land cover 2020. I define it here and resolution from here, and the layer name is land cover mean 2020. And we can create the legends. If we run this code, you can see the land cover map of a Switzerland. But yeah, I want to have a legend in the left side, and I added another quote here to create a legend title. If you don't want, you can use only this. I write the create legend type, legend.add UI.label, and I added the legend title MODIS Landcover, new for 2020, and for style I use it bold, font size 14, and for margin I use it this value. And after this need to define the class name. I use it the same class name, but yeah, you need to write this again because yeah, we define the resolution parameter, but yeah, we need to write the class name, and colors of a class is the same as a above. We define it like this. Yeah, we need to repeat and write this again and add a color box for this to the label one like this for the name and label needs, and add a description for the label, and after this you need to add the legend in a map. Here we have about the here we need to replace to the color box. I replace to this one. Yeah, in line 43 we have a problem about the legend. I will investigate this. Yeah, yeah, I edit my codes and you can see to the plot this legends as you can see. And yeah, we have the legend here. If you don't want, you can remove the color box and the legend section. Yeah, after this we have the Landcover map for 2020, and if you want to change the year, you can easily change this, for example, to 2005, and run this again, for example 2015, and run again. If you want to explore the different class, you can define them. For example, this area is LC type 10, and you can easily find the number of type here. The 10 is, for example, the grassland dominant by the herbaceous animals. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and watch all other videos.